Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a let's play of Terraria, and it's my very first. So yeah, let's create a new character, and then see the skin and force female, then the normal skin, and let's see what this about that. So no, let's see maybe this. And let's see, maybe blonde. Oh, yeah, it would be cool with blonde. But let's still see, this for boys with the A. This one looks cooler. What's this? Yeah, this looks cooler. So yeah, let's see. I want blue eyes. So yeah, now let's see the underwear. Now, there we go. Oh no, I think. Oh no, I just like pink maybe. Is this pink or not? This is one. Then yeah, I think it would be cool or not. So just go there. And what should we name her? This is gonna just use my name. Just the other just CGM or Cripston Mining. So yeah. Just do this trash world. Let's start with this let's play. So yeah. I only have this, so yeah, we can do this. So now let's gather some woods and let's craft some many tools. Oh, one fell down. Oh, now open the chest before. Oh fuck. Yeah, I can't even. So I'll just go again. And there we go. So yeah, there's. So let's gather more and more and more. Oh, there's acorns, so let's plant them. We'll say so plant. Can't even plant them. Oh, there you go. So yeah. Next we gather some stones. First, there's a zombie out there, little zombie. How's it doing? Oh man, yeah, I can't even because I don't have rocket boots. Wouldn't matter the player I have, so like I'm not so. I can't even jump so higher, and I can't even defeat this Gemini. Come on, die, you little demon eye. That eye of the thingy. Oh, don't. So yeah, there we go. Oh, let's plant the acorn for more woods. So yeah, there were no more left. Let's go this stall. Oh god, there you are, zombie again. Yes, you're gonna die. So yeah. Some of these plants again, now you're gonna die. And then also there's big talls here, big trees tall. Well, let's see if I have magic mana. Oh, that sucks. But I'll just gather this and make a house. Let's leave. But where should we put some? Where we should do? So yeah, now let's find a flat surface where we can build our house. So yeah, maybe here. Let's see. And I did torches, but there's still no slime. I need slimes to. Oh, not again. Oh no. Hit that zombie. So yeah. Now let's. Oh yeah, it's getting day. It's getting morning. So now let's clean. Let's fit this and then let's craft some torches and some crafting table or workbench. So yeah, I will just clear this and then the flat surface. Oh, let's remove this one. Then this. And this also so we can get a clear house. So yeah, now let's do this. But first let's remove this. So I think we should do more. Should expand it again. Now let's remove this and kill this green slime. Die. So yes, it's 5. I think it would be. Oh, let's expand more. Just a little bit. So now let's make some doors. And place this crafting or workbench. Let's do it to move this. I'm gonna destroy this and make 2 doors. So yeah, let's make some walls. We have 6 torches, so let's put them here. Then we'll we'll get some more stone so we can craft some furnace. Oh yeah, there's iron ore. I would probably get that. But first, my excuse because I just need a magic one. Just borrow here. Oh yes, so I'll just put it here. Then I'll just get it. So where's that? Oh yeah, the magic mirror. So now I'll go out here. Then put here. Then go through here, so I'll just get the magic mirror so it'll be easy for us to oh yes, to get to our house or spawn point. So yeah, now we're the threshold. So yeah, build the furnace to craft metal bars out of wood. So yeah, we're going well to craft that. So yeah, it even ran so fast, it's so annoying. Now there's a bunny. I'm gonna shoot bunny, but really no. So we have 8 stones. For now, just gonna kill this and then gather some of these. Is that iron? Oh yes, it is irons. Now there's a lot of stone here, so we can also silver. That's cool. Can craft some silver armor or irons or maybe copper, but I still don't know. Let's see. Still, I really need to get some stone blocks. So yeah, let's see. 9, 9, and 9. And go back to our spawn point. Oh yeah, that's too far. Oh god. Need to get back again and again and again. So yeah, we should really mine this stone now. So yeah. Just go back with their sapphire. It's sapphire. Oh, I hate the sound of it. I'll just gather this iron. So I can craft some iron armors. So yeah, let's see this one. Oh please, not today. So yeah, there are a lot of iron. You can craft them from iron swords or anything, iron tools, and you can also craft some iron armors. So that will be cool. And also cobwebs. You need them in order to make some beds. We should craft them some silk. So yeah. Now just a few more, then we'll be going back home. So yeah. Excuse me. Also here. We'll just gather these and we'll go back home now. Still day, so not night. But yeah, let's explore. Oh, a cave bat, are you kidding me? Don't please fly. Die. So I think we should go back now. I think it's enough. I have 34 iron ore and 7 silver. Oh, there was going to attack me. Oh yeah, the mana. So yeah, hey bunny. Oh yeah, she was dead. Oh yeah, let's go back here. We are now here. So let's craft some furnace. That's 20 stone blocks. And maybe some, oh yeah, let's melt this. Silver and iron. So it's silver only one. Why? Are you kidding? 4, 7. Oh god, then we have 11 iron. So yeah, let's make some wood walls so monsters will not spawn. We need 52 maybe. I think it's enough. But yeah, we'll see. Hope there will be no messy. So yeah. We'll see. I think it's enough. Yep, I think it's enough. Yeah, sure is. And we have 4 left. Now die green slime. So yeah. That's it. We only have 1 silver, so let's craft some anvil. I only have 6. So yeah, let's put this out. Oh, we got different. So yeah. And yeah, we need the house for the NPC to spawn here. I think she will surely like this. So let's build. So yeah. Now let's just remove this. And also craft some doors. Oh yeah, I need to get some platforms. Yeah. Platforms in order to go up there easily. Oh no, I need the hammer. Oh god. Where are you? So yeah. Hammer is used for destroying like this. Any design, decoration, or whatever you call it, you can destroy it with hammer. And yeah. So let's craft some doors again and put it here. Oh yeah. And the NPC can't go down here. Maybe scared. They're scared to fall out. So yeah, we need some chairs and table, 1 each. So yeah, let's just put it here. Where should we? Not there. So maybe there, and also disable. So yeah, let's go down, and that's cool. Let's craft some torches. 15 is enough. and cool. So yeah, we need to get walls and walls. So monster can spawn. That's 56. I think it's also enough. Now let's gather this. So let's work this out. So there we go, and just work this. I think it's enough. Yeah, it's enough, and as you can see, the guide will spawn here. We'll just show on the bottom that the guide will spawn. So yeah. Let's jump over here, then put this door. So yeah, let's see. Excuse me. But I don't really know that he will spawn. Now let's explore here. Yeah, I explored the dungeons lately, but yeah. Oh yeah, there's zombie. Man, you die. Oh, where are you? Hey, fight with me. Not go away. Don't go away. You're such a dumb. Hey, oh, Demon Eye, what the heck? Don't kill me, please. Come on, Demon Eye, demon. You're such a demon. Yeah, you are. Oh, fudge. See? Oh, how do I want to get? Oh, yeah, lances. No slime, and oh god. Zombies. Oh, you're gonna hit me with your arm. Now let's destroy the spot. Let's see what does it have. So let's see and see. Oh yeah, that's potion, lesser healing. Told lesser healing. So let's get out of here. No, I can't. So yeah. And also there's a curse of the old man. So yeah, let's go back again. Oh yeah, we need these fallen stars. We need to get 10 of them. So we can have that. We can have the full mana. This blue thingy. So oh yeah, it spawned. The guide spawned. So yeah, we're gonna use the torch in these to increase your max life. So the max life here is 200, not 400, but in PC it's 400. So yeah, I look so white. Yeah, kill that bunny. So yeah, guys, it will end here. Our let's play will end here. I will do more in the next week maybe, or another day. So yeah, guys, Crips Gun Mining here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of my Let's Play Terraria number 1. And please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll do more videos. And please just comment in the comment area what you want me to do next, and I'll do it. So yeah, guys, peace.